Hello vlog. So today I am just doing random things, but I wanted to vlog. So I just got an envelope because I got a Depop sale. If you want my Depop, you should DM me on Instagram. Then I'll give you the link. So I'm probably gonna take this to the post office later. And I got a coffee because I'm so tired. I've been tired for like 3 weeks straight. Here is my mask. It's double-sided. Okay, now I'm gonna go get gas. Yeah.
I look like I've been crying. It's just my nose. It's like stuffed up right now. Hello vlog. Oh my god, do you want to be in the vlog? Sammy! Hi! So today I'm gonna try to cook chicken. I want to cook chicken every single day. I want to get in that routine. I want to cook it and then eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But I'm just like way too lazy for that. But I'm gonna try to start doing it. But that's what I want to do. Last time I lost the chicken in the fridge and no one could find it. But this time it's right in the front and we still don't know where the other chicken is. So it's probably rotting. It's probably rotting somewhere in the fridge. I literally can't find the bowl that I cooked stuff in right now. I don't know where it went. So I'm just gonna put it on the frying pan. If you have noticed, I'm not the best chef ever, but I'm working on it. My chicken, it looks super gross. I'm gonna put cheese on it. I wanna make cheesy chicken. Okay, so here's my chicken so far. That's what they look like. I added more cheese. It might not taste that good, I don't know. I added garlic powder and salt. And now I'm waiting. I don't know how to tell if they're done. I feel like they kind of look done, but this smells really cheesy and I think I might have put too much cheese on. Here's my completed chicken. I'm kind of scared to try it, but I'm probably gonna eat it. I'm saving the rest for dinner. People like to eat my food a lot. If anyone eats this before I get it later, the rest of the video is going to be of me screaming. Hello! I'm going through a mini breakdown. I honestly go through a mini breakdown every single day. Okay, so here's my manifestation board. I made this like late December, like early January maybe. I think it was late September. I have like 5 manifestation boards in this room. I'm gonna like put it somewhere else because this is too big for this area. These were the things I manifested. A lot of them didn't work out. I wanted Yang to become president. That didn't work out. He dropped out really early in primaries. I feel like I manifested this energy. I kind of did feel like that having money because I got some money this year. What does that even mean? I mean, like, you know, I feel like I got more money this year than I would have normally. I ate a little bit more fruit than normal. I didn't really gain much subscribers, so that didn't work. I wanted to go to Pride, but all the Pride stuff was canceled. So that didn't really work. I had an okay birthday. I have a bunch of fashion stuff because I wanted to dress better. I think I maybe dressed a little bit better, but I don't really think that worked out. I think I'm gonna put stuff over this, and I don't know. For some reason, it's kind of cute, but I also kind of don't like it. So I'm gonna try to make new manifestations. I'm gonna like cut stuff out of like a magazine and like glue it over, maybe try to make it a little bit more cuter. I don't know. So today I am shipping out Depop orders. I finally got more. The other clip in this video is from a really long time ago. I haven't had sales in a while, but now I got more. I feel like there's this weird thing on Depop where once one of your items gets a sale, then you immediately get like 3 more sales, but if none of your items get a sale, you just don't get a sale for like 2 months. But eventually, if one of your things get a sale, you immediately get like 3 more sales. And I don't know why it's like that. I wish mine were all evenly, well, I kind of wish mine were all evenly spaced out, but I also don't because then I can not have to go to the post office for each individual package, so that's good. But yeah, I'm gonna get this stuff and then we're gonna go ship. UPS time! I'm at a UPS time, it's so long. It's honestly only been like a month, but yeah. Okay, so I am at the post office now. Here's packaging number 1. Here is trying to get package number 2. Package number 2, they're the same size. And now I'm gonna go ship these little thingies. Okay. I'm just fucking my fries.
You're gonna put that in the video?
So I asked for video requests and one of the requests I got was do a haul. Here's a mini haul. So I got this sweatshirt. It's like all tie-dye and cute. Then I got this cute little shirt. It says Save the Bees. Then I got some undies. So here's my undies haul. This one is like florally. Oh wait, what does it say? Does it say Victoria's Secret? Yeah, it does. This one, V for Victoria's Secret. This one is just a plain teal mint, I guess. A red. And then the last one is is butterflies. I love butterflies. Okay, so that is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to vote November 3rd, election day. Subscribe, like, comment, follow me on my Twitter and Instagram. I'm on Snapchat because I had every single person back, and my goal of the year is at 30,000 subscribers, so please subscribe to help me get there. Okay, that's all I have to say, so goodbye.